Hi Adya, can I ask you something? What is your favorite color?
Sasha, my favorite color is pink. What about you?
Well, my favorite color is blue.
What? No, pink is better than blue.
No girl, blue is better than pink. Even you can see sky is blue, not pink. So blue is better.
Oh no. But why sky is blue?
Even I don't know.
Wait, let me call Suhasini.
But how will she come?
Just say why Suhasini why and she'll turn up. Let us call her at the same time.
Why Suhasini why?
Hello, Namaste everyone. This is Suhasini Patil the Great. Before answering Adya's question, one must understand two important parameters, and they are light and atmosphere of the earth. Let us look at very first parameter, which is light. Okay, light is a form of energy which helps us to see objects around us. Light travels in the form of a wave. Okay, let me put it simple. If you see the battle rope here in the gym, a wave is created through the movements of hand. In a similar way, light travels in the form of a wave. We all know that light which comes from sun is a mixture of 7 colors known as wavelengths, and each color have a frequency and wavelength associated with it. I know you guys are wondering what frequency and wavelength are. Okay, let's recall the battle rope where the wave is being created. If you see the distance between two wave or dips, it is called as wavelength. Okay, then what about frequency? The same rope length, a strong person like me can sometimes produce maximum number of waves through hand movement, and so a person like you maybe cannot. Now let's get back to the topic. What about frequency? Frequency is nothing but how often the wave is being produced. And in science, we have studied that wavelength is inversely proportional to frequency, which is given by this formula. Okay, let me put it simple again. It means if wavelength is more, the frequency will be less, and if wavelength is less, the frequency will be more. Now if you see the 7 colors here, every color have different wavelength and frequency associated with it, which makes them differentiable from one another. In other words, wavelength and frequency is something which helps us to differentiate color from one another. Among all the 7 colors, violet have shorter wavelength and high frequency, and red have larger wavelength and low frequency. Now let's move to the second parameter, which is atmosphere of the earth.
Hey guys, I am Earth and I am spherical in shape. And you know what? There is a layer of gas that surrounds me, and I call it as atmosphere of the earth. This atmosphere is mainly composed of about 78% nitrogen, which is present in abundant quantity, followed by 21% of oxygen and 0.9% of argon, and lastly 0.1% of carbon dioxide, methane, water vapor and neon. When sunlight enters atmosphere, the light falls on these air molecules of nitrogen, oxygen and other gases. These molecules absorb the sunlight in it and scatter or spread it in all directions, which is explained by Rayleigh law of scattering.
But wait, do it scatter all the light equally? No, these molecules do not scatter all light equally. Why? Because of the small size of the molecule, it only absorbs shorter wavelength colors like violet, indigo and blue, then longer wavelength colors like red, orange or yellow. If that is the case, then sky should appear violet instead of blue, right? No, there are two reasons why it is not appearing violet. The first reason is sunlight naturally do not emit that much quantity of violet color when compared to other colors. So, violet rays are least incident on these molecules and hence it is scattered the least. And the second reason is our eyes are least sensitive to violet and indigo color, and it is more sensitive to blue color. So, that is the reason why sky appear blue, and this blue color is actually a mixture of both indigo and blue. Well, if there was no atmosphere, then there would not be any scattering of light. Then the sky would have appeared dark. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe to our channel for such interesting content. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. Take care.